capping the day as it is. 100 lower on the Nifty, and leading those declines today are names like Adani Enterprises. Adani is ending down about 4.5%. So a lot of yesterday's exuberance or yesterday's rally, it seems to be reversing today. Jio Financial 4% lower, Eternal about 3% lower, Trent 3% lower. Both these stocks started the morning quite positive, but then they completely fizzled out. SBI sees more follow-through selling after its numbers. Even today, stocks down 2.5%. HDFC Life, IndusInd Bank, Bajaj Finance, Axis Bank. Gives you a sense that financials is where the pain is. The Bank Nifty itself is down about 1.3%. So plenty of weakness here. And unlike yesterday, today the heavyweights couldn't come in support of the market. ITC, HDFC Bank, Reliance itself down 1%. All these big boys have been falling. What kind of stood out, relatively speaking, was M&M. With some follow-through buying after yesterday's good performance. Q4 performance came through. Hero Moto up about 2.5% as Ather lists. Bharti Airtel 2% higher. And then it fizzles out. A little bit of FMCG play today. Nestle and HUL. Two FMCG names that have found some buyers. But that's the Nifty, and that's only half the story, Prashant. The bigger issue with the market was the mid-cap unwinding today, and lots of it.
No, absolutely. Bank of Baroda was, of course, the big earnings-led loss. Indian Hotels was down 6.5%. Sonata Software down 7-8%. Godrej Properties down 6.5%. Realty, Bank of India, Reliance Infra, I can go on. Capacide Infra, Manyavar, Aventil was down sharply. Skipper was down about 5.5-6%. Bombay dying, and so on and so forth. I mean, only the not the good part, but maybe the silver lining at the margin was the fact that you had, although numerically more down than up, but it's not a big volume-led sell-off on the downside. You start very heavy with Bank of Baroda, top of the list, and then you kind of peter out very quickly within 8 or 9 names. Bombay dying, and then, volumes really taper off. Bombay dying 6, and then volumes really taper off after that. So, I think that is something to take note of. I think we'll wrap up this edition of Closing Bell here from all of us. Goodbye. Thank you for staying with us, but don't go anywhere because Markets Forward is coming right up.